You have a cool website, great content, but the problem is your website is not appearing in the Google search. There are many reasons for that, but one of the main reason is you have not submitted your website to Google yet. The very first step to submit your website to Google search is to verify your website with Google. Don't worry if you don't know how to submit your website to Google. You just need to watch this video till the end. So without wasting time, let's get started. To verify your website with Google search, first you need to log into your WordPress admin desk, which looks like this. Now the second thing, you need to open the Google Search Console. I will give the link in the description box, and also you can search for Google Search Console and reach it. Okay, first you have opened all these things. Next thing is to copy your exact URL, okay, or you can type also, and which is to be pasted here. Okay, keep in mind HTTP and HTTPS. If your website has SSL certificate, then you can type here HTTPS and then your website or URL. Okay, if your website doesn't have SSL certificate, you don't need to type S. Remove this. Okay, now the next thing is to continue. One thing I forgot, this page will only appear if you are signed in into your Google Search Console. So you have to log in with your Google ID to reach this page. Okay, now click on the continue. Now you have to verify your website. The simple method is to copy HTML tag which is given here. Okay, just copy this. Okay, and you have to put this line into your header file, which you will get under appearance and theme editor. Just click on that. Now the theme editor will look like this. In the right sidebar, you will find one file, Header.php. Okay, just click on that. So this is Header.php. So we have copied this line, meta name and content, which you have to paste under the head. This is very important to paste the copied line between the head container. Head container starts from here and ends here. So you have to paste in between these two tags. I will paste the tag here. Okay. Now you just need to update the file. Now the file has been edited successfully, which you can see here. One thing you should keep in mind that while pasting the meta name and content which is copied from the Google Search Console, you should not put this in between any tags. Okay, here it is the opening tag, closing tag. Okay, like this. You should not put this line in between this, otherwise your website may misbehave. Now the file has been edited successfully. Now it's time to verify. Okay, just click on the verify button which is given just below from where you copied the meta name and content. Just click on the verify. Okay, so congratulations, your ownership has been verified. Now you can proceed further to set up your property. Just you need to click on the go to property. Okay, now this is the dashboard of Google Search Console. There is much thing to set up now, which is submitting the sitemap, okay, updating the robots.txt file, checking the errors, checking the vitals like page speed, SEO scores, and likewise. So all these are the topic for another video. I will explain each and every bit of Google Search Console in my coming videos. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. One more thing I would like to share. If while editing this header.php file from the WordPress admin dashboard, if you get some kind of error, it is not being updated. So you can also edit this file from your file manager also. This is the file manager of my website. First you need to go htdocs. Now click on the WP content, then go to themes and select your active theme. My active theme is Astra. Then click on the header.php file. Okay, now click on the edit and wait while it loads. So this is the header.php file which we were not able to edit from the WordPress admin dashboard. Here just paste the copied meta name and content from the Google Search Console and paste between the head tags. Okay, this is the starting head tag and this is the closing head tag, and here you can paste it. WordPress admin dashboard, you can see the line here. Okay, you can also paste it here from the Google if your admin dashboard is not working properly. Okay, and after you have entered, click on the save. In this way you can also verify your website to Google search. If you think you learned something, don't forget to give this video a like. If you have any query or suggestion, do comment down below. And the most important thing is to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss any videos from this channel. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace.